Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. The first thing to do is to get to your browser. I will use Mozilla Firefox. On the search box, you type Google account. Choose Create your Google account. Fill in the required information. Jones will be my first name. And Robert's my last name. The email was generated automatically, showing that this names already exist. The numbers beside are to differentiate it from other accounts. You can change it to put something you can remember easily. 23 is already used. $98 too. Instead of these additional numbers, I prefer us to write a third name. Enter a suitable password. Mine is quite simple. Click Next. Enter your phone number depending on your country. The code will be sent to you. Click Next. Type down the code in the box. You can leave this box empty. Continue filling the empty boxes. Click Next. Click Yes, I'm in. The account has been created. You can get to Gmail to see your messages. Thanks for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe.